There are four types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverbs. A conjunction joins part of a sentence. This includes joining words, phrases, and clauses. An example of joining words includes, I like to eat pizza. An example of joining phrases includes, we are either going to go to the restaurant or to the cinema. An example of joining clauses includes, I went to visit my friend, but she was not at home. Coordinating conjunction. This type of conjunction is used to join words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. This includes for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. When joining two words or phrases, we generally don't require a comma. She likes to eat burgers and fries. When joining items in a sentence, a comma is required. For example, he bought apples, bananas, oranges, and cherries from the store. When joining two independent clauses, a comma is required. For example, I don't like to eat pizza, but I like to eat pasta. Subordinating conjunction. This type of conjunction is used to join a dependent and an independent clause together. These include because, before, although, after, if, so that, when, while, as, than, wherever, once, even though, as soon as, till, as if. So there are two rules to remember when using subordinating conjunctions. If the conjunction comes at the start of the sentence, followed by the dependent and independent clause, we require a comma before the independent clause. Because I have an exam tomorrow, I have to study all night. The second rule is, when the independent clause comes at the start of the sentence, we don't require a comma. I have to study all night because I have an exam tomorrow. Correlative conjunction. This type of conjunction is used in pairs to join parts of a sentence of equal importance. This includes either or, whether or, both and, neither nor, not only but, such that, no sooner than, as, scarcely, when. For example, he was singing as loud as he could. She was so sad that she cried. I don't know whether to make rice or pizza. Conjunctive adverbs. These are adverbs that act like conjunctions. For example, accordingly, also, besides, consequently, finally, furthermore, hence, however, likewise, moreover, nonetheless, otherwise, similarly, then, therefore, thus. These adverbs join independent clauses in a sentence. So there are two ways we can write these sentences. We can use a semicolon before the conjunctive adverb followed by a comma. For example, I love to visit London, however it takes very long to get there. The second way of writing the sentence is we have a full stop following the initial independent clause and then a comma after the conjunctive adverb. For example, I love to visit London, however it takes very long to get there.